Nice report, Maywood. Find your man.
Woo! All right, Dad. Looking good, baby.
Hey, Clark, how are you holding up?
Just enjoying the view from the bench.
All right, listen, I talked to Coach Quigley about you. But you know him, he's old school. He already feels like he's got a squad for the season, but just hang in there for me, all right?
Come on in, guys. Grab a drink.
Nice catch, buddy.
It's all about you and me this year, bro.
All right, cut it out, man. You just cut it out.
Sorry. So what are we doing Saturday night?
We aren't doing anything. I'm hanging out with Nate and the boys. Didn't I mention that to you before?
It's okay. I just want to make you happy.
All right.
You got your drink?
You know what? Screw the guys. I want to hang out with you on Saturday night.
Why wait till Saturday when we could go shopping now?
Whatever you want, baby. I'm gonna go hit the showers.
Where you going, bud? Field's this way.
Yeah, I'm going shopping with Mandy.
You what?
I'll be in the car, baby.
I'll see ya. You checking out my girlfriend, buddy?
What are you talking about?
Danny, you walk up this field. You're riding the bench Friday.
Yeah, might be, dude.
Clark, looks like a spot just opened up. Why don't you hop in there? Go get him. Clark, you gonna need one of these.
Don't get too comfortable out there, Clark.
Danny's this team's quarterback.
Let's get him, boys.
Yeah.
Blue 19! I'm not the center, jerk. Blue 19! Hey!
Renovation, a new day. Bring rejuvenation these days. Another way, no replay, no replay. I think about it this way. Time's up. Again, I
Nice
say
throw,
that's
King.
okay.
Keep it up.
Too late. I should have could have made me.
All right.
Why wait? When in the end it could be my last big mistake. You want a revolution? Yeah. You gotta make a difference on your own. Want a revolution? Yeah. Stand up, stand it and make it now. Want a revolution? Yeah. Want a revolution?
Whoa! Danny, put the gun down, man. Let's talk about this.
It's too late, coach. You shouldn't have hit on my girl.